everyone, my name is Allison and I am trying to figure out my way through adulthood and just learning how to be an adult and just learning how to do things more so with my hands. And one of the tasks that I've given myself today is to figure out how to clean my gnarly shower. It's been like this for a while, and I just haven't gotten around to it, and today I'm gonna do it and we're gonna see how it goes. Fingers crossed! And now what I'm gonna do is like quickly soak my shower thing in water, and then according to the internet I am going to be using this Chlorox gel cleaner, bleach gel cleaner that I found at Walmart, along with this bristle that I also found at Walmart. And hopefully this works because I've tried cleaning my shower before and it didn't go well. That's why I gave up, and now that's why it looks like this. So here we go. Leave it in there for a couple of minutes and then start scrubbing, and then let's see what happens. Well, I think my eye, I don't know, it's kind of watering. Struggles to adulting, right? Yeah, bleach does not seem very healthy. Alright, so now we're basically gonna try to scrub it and just see what happens. You guys, look at this. Grime that I thought would not be able to come off is like coming off, which is kind of like a miracle, y'all. Like, you do not, I think I got some of this in my eye, but this has legitly, oh my gosh, it's like coming off. I'm basically gonna stop for a second and show you guys the difference between one wall and the other. So do you guys see this wall? Holy mackerel. And then now look at this wall. Wow. The difference is glaring. Oh, it's working! Don't get that, that's gross. Ew. Don't look at that. You guys, I just want to show you guys what the final product looks like. And let's see what it looks like. So, look at that. Okay, I don't know what that thing is, but I couldn't get rid of it. So, alright, so admittedly it's not perfect. There's still like this weird stuff on the side. I'm assuming that's grout, but I could be talking out of my butt. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. And if you guys ended up doing something of this sort, where Chlorox decided to help you out, let me know, and yeah, that'd be super dope. Alright, bye guys.